CLSK stock analysis and CLSK stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, I'll be breaking down my exact play with CleanSpark. This is a bullish market, 1.3% down. I like it quite a bit. You can see beforehand here was looking to buy, and not only did this deliver, this is just the most recent prediction, not the most recent, but this went pretty nice. Here I wanted to see a double break, sort of came down and then shifted with one break. So I mean, idea wise it was here, it definitely went up, but I never managed to capitalize because he never gave me the exact rules. And I'm really very excited about this because look, like we had a decent double break. This is a full-on demand zone and targets can definitely be 25 bucks, right? So practically speaking, this is the 1 hour chart here. Here's my demand zone, and unless I see the price pulling back down a bit and giving me the rules, there's no way I'm just going to immediately buy CLSK like any other ticker. It's like this has any sort of privilege. Still following the rules that I've tested for 5 years, 43,000 videos. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10k from trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.